Hey guys, I'm Ryan Naylor, here to help you grow as a guitarist, and today I couldn't resist bringing you a little lesson on the introduction to Julien Baker's song, Something. This was requested on a video recently and I had a little look at it and I couldn't resist it. It sounds great, so I thought I'd bring it and maybe introduce you to this song. If you enjoy it and would like the full transcription and lesson on the entire song, please do make sure you leave a comment in the section below and a thumbs up if you enjoy the video. So let's get stuck in. Okay, Something by Julien Baker. I'm going to break down this intro part measure by measure. And we're going to be counting in 6, because this is in 6/8. The time feel is 6/8. Normally 6/8 though, we do have 2 beats to a measure. It's 1, 2, 1 and a 2 and a 1 and a 2 and a. That's the 6 beats. But to keep things more simple here, we're going to be counting as in beat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay? So first measure. On the 1, I use second finger on string 6 at the 9th fret. The C sharp is thumbed with the thumb. And then on the 3, we are going to use the index on string 3 in the 9th fret, the note E, and then we pick string 2 at the 9th. Notice the fingering is 2, 3, 4. It's important as you do that you observe that fingering. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 5, you'll see there is a pull off. This pinky finger is going to pull down on the string, so you basically articulate the open string. And then on the 6, you pick again string number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're sort of holding on to what we can as we go to the A, the open A string with the thumb. So on the 1, the 9th fret of string 3 is being held over as you pick on the 1, the open A string. And then finger 1 is going to grab fret 7 of string 2. And then there is a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's another pull off here. Finger 1 is doing the pull off. So that measure is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, index hits the 9th fret string 3 on the end of there. Putting those together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Into measure 3, we hit the E string. Open E with the thumb. And in this first time, on the album version at least, we pick again like the first measure on the 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So identical to the C sharp minor that came before. But in the second measure, with the E string continuing to ring, this is measure 4 rather, then what happens is finger 1 moves on to fret 7 of string 1, and there is a hammer on. We use the pinky finger. So it's 1, 2, fret 9 on string 3, and then 7, pull off to the open string 1, and then you play open string 2. So that 4th measure will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Measure 3 and 4 together. So those first 4 measures all together sound like this. And then in the repeats, there are 3 repeats, and then what happens on the C sharp of the bass line, she seems to go from an open string, and on the 2, hammers on to the 9th fret. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then on the 3, you're again picking fret number 9 of string 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So on the E chord in the second time and on the repeats, there's a little more picking. And we add in the extra notes like you did on the A chord. So here comes the E chord, first measure, but on the second time. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we do the hammer on with finger 1 and 4, picks 3, and then putting that all together slowly. Wrong chord at the end. Just realised, there you go, that finger 3 doesn't move. From that 9th fret of string 3, it doesn't budge at all. Let's do it a little faster, and then I'll do a little shot on the picking hand so you can see that as well. I ended it wrong again. So there you are, guys. That was the introduction to Something by Julien Baker. I think I tried to play it about 1 grillion times. I hope there was a good take in there somewhere that I could use in the video. Don't forget to thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe if you're new here. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that bell icon so you don't miss any channel notifications going forward. You guys take care, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!